Okay, so today we have a Chrysler Crossfire in today for our 6-stage headlight restoration. As you can see, these ones are probably one of the worst that we've had. Can't see anything out of them lights, barely see the light bulbs. So it's got we're going to have our 6-stage headlight restoration, so they'll look a lot better. So we just started this one, and you can just see the grubbiness coming off of it just up here. So that's what we get off. That's just the layer of grime that we get off. But yeah, we're gonna crack on and get it done. Okay, so it is. So the 6-stage headlight polish, as you can see, a lot better when they come in. You can actually see the top of the light now, which was the worst part, but as you can see, a lot better. So the customer will be happy that their headlights are now done.